If you want to create a beautiful and exclusive wedding invitation card using Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a super simple method that lets you pick a wedding template, customize it, and save your finished invitation in just a few minutes. This is a great option if you want something elegant, fast, and easy to edit without needing advanced design skills. If this tutorial helps you, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, select New. This will take you to the template gallery where you can search for ready-made designs instead of starting from a blank page. In the search bar, type wedding template. Word will show you different invitation-style templates and document designs related to weddings. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose any template that fits the style you want. You may want something classic, floral, modern, or elegant depending on the type of wedding invitation you're creating. Once you find a design you like, click on it to preview it and then select Create. Word will open the template in a new document, and from there you can start making changes to personalize it. Now comes the fun part, editing the invitation. Replace the sample text with your own wedding details, such as the names, date, time, venue, and any special message you want to include. You can also change the font, adjust the text size, and update the colors to match the wedding theme. If you want the invitation to feel more exclusive, try keeping the layout clean and elegant with balanced spacing and readable typography. You can also add or remove elements depending on how formal or creative you want the final design to look. As you edit, make sure everything is aligned properly and that the important details stand out clearly. You can use Word's built-in design tools to make the invitation look more polished. This might include changing the background, adding borders, or formatting the text so it feels more premium and professional. Even with a simple template, small custom changes can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with your design, it's very important to save your work. Go to File again and click Save As, then choose the folder where you want to store the invitation. Give your file a clear name so you can find it easily later. Saving your document also means you can come back and make more changes anytime if needed. And that's it. You've now created an exclusive wedding invitation card using Microsoft Word. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make something personal without using complicated software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.